Good morning. Today is Wednesday and y'all already know where I'm at, of course, Aldi. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking my videos out. I truly do appreciate it. Let me get the camera together. Yes, I truly do appreciate it. Let me give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. If you're doing all of those things, you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me some comments. Thumbs up the video. Let me know, is this a skip week for you at Aldi? Leave that in the comments. Also, Bath and Body Works is doing their room spray sale. I think it's $3.95. Of course, I'm skipping on that because I got more than enough room spray and your girl don't need any more. I don't care what season it is. I understand they got the new Christmas room sprays out. I don't need none of that stuff. So it's a pass for me. I'm still trying to get my money together for Candle Day. We only got about 3 more weeks before Candle Day, and Bath and Body Works keep on releasing really good sales. They also got the single wick candle sale going on right now for $8. You can use a coupon for that particular part, but with the room spray you need a code, and I don't know what the code is. But like I said, I'm at Aldi today because they got a new ad and they are releasing their new Avid candles. I'm only gonna get one because they actually released these candles last year, and I will post a picture so y'all can see the ones from last year. So they brought back 2 scents from last year, the peppermint bark as well as I think that spice cake. Those 2 came back this year, and I think the only one I'm gonna get is the white balsam and cedarwood. I believe that's what it's called. So that's basically the only thing I plan on getting this week at Aldi. It really could be a skip week for me, but y'all know I gotta do a little walkthrough. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna check out what they have. Y'all know they still have all of their Avid boxes. So if you're looking for an Avid box for your kids, or if you like Avid boxes, they have them here at Aldi. I'm not sure if my store still have the wine Avid boxes or the beer. I don't know, because I know those items sell super fast, and I'm sure my store probably don't have them, you know. I actually haven't been back in the store since last week. So let's head on in here and see exactly what can we find. Let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. As I said, I did grab one. I started to grab 2, but I just decided to grab one, and this is white balsam and cedar. I don't know why I said birch, but white balsam and cedar. It smells really good. I love the fact that they put 2 wicks in here. I think last year candles only have 1 wick. I'm gonna have to show y'all when I get home, but I believe last year's candles only had 1 wick. So I'm happy that they did 2 this year. Yes. And the way that you use this, I noticed they have the numbers backwards this year. As y'all see, the 25 is at the top and the 1 is at the bottom. Every day you use it, you just mark off the numbers. Starting with December 1st, you would just mark off December 1st, and you just relight it every day. And I think you only light them for like 2 hours a day. And by time the 25th come, you should almost be done with this candle. I mean, you can light it as long as you like. But yeah, these candles throw pretty decent. I did use mine on the lamp warmer because, like I said, last year version, I honestly believe that they came with only 1 wick. And y'all know I don't usually play with single wick candles. I just instantly put them on the warmer because I know that they're going to do much better on the lamp warmer. So that's what I usually do. So I'm really happy that now this year they came with 2 wicks. So yeah, I did get that scent notes, no scent notes on the bottom, but y'all already know. This is just going to be your typical holiday candle. Holiday, everybody comes out with the white balsam and cedar candle every single year. So yeah, it's probably going to smell just like any other candle. Also, another thing I got is I grabbed another one of these candles, y'all. No, I really didn't want to pay the $9 for this candle, but this is a candle that I really do like. And from what I see, my store only had very few of these candles left. I've been trying to wait till they mark them down, but as y'all know, my store don't usually mark the candles down too quick. I did notice that they marked those luxury candles, those Joe Malone dupe candles. They did mark those down to $3.50. So if your store still have those candles, they're marked down to $3.50, or at least they should be. I know all stores do things different according to if they sell, you know, how sales do. So I like this candle and I wanted to get more of this candle, but like I said, my store's almost out of them. I really want to try the other 2 scents, but I'm gonna wait because nobody's really buying those, and they do have a couple of trays. So I'm gonna wait a couple of more weeks, maybe about 2 more weeks, and then I might grab one of those other ones. But this one, I really, really like it. So I grabbed that one. Also, I grabbed these little felt pad things. These are on clearance for $2.50. I actually bought some for regular price. The regular price was like $5. I didn't think that was bad. I got a little project that I'm gonna do with these, so that's the reason why I got these. So yeah, $2.50 is not a bad price at all, and it's 100. It's 100 inside of the pack. So yeah, that's really the only thing I got, and that's really it. Let me know in the comment, what did you grab this week at Aldi? Is it a pass week for you, or what? Is it a pass week or what? Like I said earlier, I could have passed, but since they came out with a new one, I decided to just go ahead and grab just one of them. I started to buy 2, but I decided to just do one. So yeah, okay, I guess that's gonna be it, and that's gonna be it for this video. Leave in the comments, like I said, let me know, what did you buy this week at Aldi's if you decided to shop this week. And I guess I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.